When that plasma cloud collides with Earth's magnetic shield, the real destruction will begin within just a few hours. Earth's magnetic field does protect us from solar storms, but against a massive Carrington-level event, even this shield begins to bend. In scientific terms, these are called ground-induced currents, or GICs. These currents rise through the ground and search for the easiest possible path. The moment this unwanted electricity reaches power stations through those wires, the giant high-voltage transformers inside them begin to fail. Today's power grid system is connected like a giant web. One city depends on electricity from another city. When a major transformer burns out, its entire electrical load instantly shifts onto nearby transformers so rapidly that within minutes, the entire national grid can collapse. If such a storm directly strikes regions like America or Europe, millions of people could suddenly be forced to live in complete darkness. Most people believe the internet works because of satellites floating in space, but that is only an illusion. The truth is that more than 99% of the world's data, your Netflix streams, your bank transactions, and even this video, travels through cables buried deep beneath the ocean floor. These are called submarine communication cables. Together, they stretch across nearly 1.4 million kilometers, connecting entire continents to each other. They are the backbone of our digital civilization. But the question is, how can a solar storm damage cables lying deep underwater? When a massive magnetic storm strikes Earth, dangerous ground-induced currents are created not only across the land, but also throughout the oceans. Along these optical fiber cables, devices called repeaters are installed every 50 to 100 kilometers. Their job is simple. When light signals become weak after traveling long distances, the repeaters amplify them again. To power these repeaters, thousands of volts of electricity are sent through the same underwater cables from nearby stations. And when unwanted electricity from a solar storm spreads through the oceans, it attacks these cables and repeaters directly. According to a 2021 study, if a Carrington-level storm strikes Earth, internet connections between America, Europe, and Asia could collapse within a single day. If electricity disappears across the world and factories shut down, where would replacement parts for those burned repeaters even come from? Even the specialized ships used to repair broken submarine cables in the middle of the ocean would need fuel and electricity to operate. The global internet could remain down for weeks, or perhaps even months without communication. Our planet itself was formed in temperatures of thousands of degrees. A solar storm cannot damage the rock of Earth itself. Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and even the human body would remain directly protected. Dangerous radiation released from solar flares, such as X-rays and UV radiation, which can become deadly in space, are mostly blocked by Earth's atmosphere and ozone layer. You will not be burned by sunlight itself, but this is where the true meaning of the coming catastrophe must be understood. The destruction would not be physical, it would be societal collapse. Modern humans no longer live in forests. Our entire civilization now hangs by a thin thread made of electricity, internet, and global supply chains. If electricity disappeared across the world for an entire year, whether you call it disaster, apocalypse, or the end of a civilization, thanks for watching this video. For more science-related videos, subscribe now.